สวัสดีครับ
Hello, we are in Thailand. Sawadee.
And we are Sekolah Menengah Sains Bagan Datoh from Malaysia. We would like to introduce you to R.W.A.S. R.W.A.S stands for Rainwater Alarm System. In Malaysia, it is very hot, and so people like to dry clothes outside of their houses. However, this introduces a problem where rain always comes when we dry our clothes outside. So we have invented a solution to this problem. So R.W.A.S is a system that it detects rain on this water sensor, and it gives a signal to the application right here in the phone that tells you if it's raining or not in the house, in the area of the house. So if you're asleep in the house and it rains outside, there's an alarm to wake you up. But however, if you're outside walking around very far from the house, this application will alert you if it's raining or not in the house. So we would like to show you a demo.
If it rains, the water sensor will detect rain and an automatic roof will come out. So there will be a buzzer, and the buzzer will alert the owner about raining. So with this app, we can shut down the buzzer, and the buzzer will stop. And if it stopped raining and the water sensor is dry, the automatic roof will get in by itself. So this roof will not only protect clothes that we dry outside, it can also protect beloved belongings like cars and such other things.
We would like to sell these things to countries that are very hot but also rain a lot, so we can overcome their problems such as wet clothes and so on. There are many future improvements that we would like to use. For example, a solar panel to power the system and the house, so that we can use a renewable source of energy, so that we have a greener earth and a healthier place.
That's all
Okay.
from us.
Thank you.